King Piers out here in Blue Springs again. Backfilling these 4 piers with high strength concrete. 4,000 pound concrete, 100% cement, 0% fly ash, 1.5% buckeye fiber. And we bring it out a 5-inch slump. However, this is not a 5-inch slump. That looks more like a 4. I like it a little wetter than that, but it is what it is. Beautiful day. Beautiful day out here in Blue Springs. Really proud of my King Piers crew. Doing foundation repair. 5-star foundation repair. The homeowners are very happy. This side of the house is now level. Raised it about 1 inch, so it wasn't a big hard raise for us. There's a beautiful homeowner right there, Miss Kathy. Can you say hi, Miss Kathy?
No picture.
She doesn't want her picture. She's very modest. Beautiful inside and out. All right, everybody, for all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, KingPiers.com.